Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Cleo crash within a few seconds every single time you open it, no matter how many times you try? Here's the fix. A repeated crash on every launch usually points to a corrupted local app file rather than one-time glitch, so a simple restart of just the app often isn't enough. First, restart your iPhone fully. Hold the side button and the volume down, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then power back on. Try reopening Cleo once after the restart to see if that alone resolves it. If it still crashes immediately, press and hold the Cleo's icon, tap remove app, then tap delete app, then delete the app to fully uninstall it. Go to the App Store, search for the Cleo app, and reinstall it completely fresh from the App Store. Before deleting, make sure you know your Cleo login email or phone number so you can sign back in afterward. Once reinstalled, go to Settings, then go to General, go to Software Update, and install any pending iOS updates since Cleo requires a current iOS version and will crash immediately on outdated versions. So all you've got to do is a full restart first, then delete and reinstall completely fresh and keep iOS updated. Cleo stops crashing and opens normally, and that's it. Subscribe.